Hello, everyone.
You are stressed, your shoulders are tight, your mind won't stop racing. But here's what most people don't know, you already have the antidote. Deep inside your nervous system lies your vagus nerve, a miraculous communication highway between your brain and body. At the top of the kidney, your adrenal glands are your calm down command center. Your mitochondria inside the millions of cells are molecular powerhouses waiting to be supercharged. These are your inside sentinels, biological guardians designed to protect you, heal you, and keep you thriving. For centuries, yoga masters discovered something neuroscience is now proving. One conscious breath can trigger a cascade of molecular events that melt stress, lower anxiety, and rewire your entire nervous system. No pills, no complicated protocols, just you, your breath, and the extraordinary biology you were born with. Now, look how you can activate these sentinels. It begins with the breath. By consciously engaging the vagus nerve, we trigger a cascade of acetylcholine, a signal that commands the sympathetic nervous system to stand down. Norepinephrine and epinephrine reduce your heart rate and blood pressure into a state of deep physiological recovery. Gradually, this extends deep into your hormonal architecture. Yoga systematically suppresses the hypothalamo-pituitary adrenal axis, inhibiting the CRH secretion from the hypothalamus and ACTH from pituitary gland in the brain. This cascade and silencing the adrenal cortex's production of cortisol, the stress hormone. This biological fingerprint of chronic stress are measurably reduced, shielding the body from long-term cellular wear. Then extended exhalation. The secret is encoded in the exhalation. This deliberate breathing pattern activates the dorsal vagal complex, elevating your vagal tone, the body's primary physiological metric for stress resilience. The longer you breathe out, the more powerfully your nervous system resets. At the cellular level, the Bohr effect comes alive. Optimized carbon dioxide retention unlocks superior oxygen delivery to your tissues, supercharging mitochondrial ATP production. Your cells operate with a cleaner, more efficient energy supply, a molecular upgrade driven entirely by breath. Finally, the transformation reaches the brain's very architecture. Consistent practice elevates BDNF, the brain's growth hormone, igniting neurogenesis and synaptogenesis in the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex of the brain. This is not a metaphor. Yoga physically reshapes your neural landscape for sharper memory, sustained focus, and lasting cognitive resilience. This is not a magic, it's your own biology, finally working for you instead of against you. So, from the next time when stress grips your chest and floods your mind, remember this: you are not broken. You are not at the mercy of your thoughts. You are wired for balance, built for recovery, and designed to return to calm. All it takes in one decision: to pause, to breathe with intention, to let your inside sentinels awaken and do what they were made to do. Because that deep, grounded calm you are chasing is not a luxury or a distant goal. It is your original design, It is your birthright, and with every conscious breath, you come home to it.